Good morning. I'm getting the vlog started a little late today. I have a lot to do today, but this morning I slept in until about 8, and then I just kind of leisured around and stuff. And now it's 9:23, so I'm about to get a workout in on my little bike over there, and then probably do like a small little strength training. After that, I don't know. I may just do the 20-minute ride because I have so much to do today. So that's why I'm getting started with this a little bit late today. But today's agenda is mainly to get my workout in, get my room cleaned up. I want to rearrange my room for the next, just to kind of revamp my space since, what's it called? New Year's coming up and going into my last semester of nursing school and just stuff like that. And I like to kind of rearrange my room. It doesn't really matter if it's the new year or not, but sometimes I just like to revamp my space, and I feel like I need to revamp my space. So I'm gonna kind of move around my room and then plan, because I want to get a TV for my room for the nights where I just want like a zen space, right? But that's gonna be like not anytime soon. Right now I'm gonna be focusing on just kind of cleaning my space, decluttering. My desk is a hot mess, as you can see. Like I want to get all this extra stuff that I don't use off my desk and stuff like that. But first I need to get this workout in. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I just finished my workout. I'm trying to look for my, as you can tell by my hair, it looks a little crazy. I'm drinking my Celsius now, where I can't have carbonation. I just get the little packets, and this is like the citrusy one. This one's really good. I didn't think to drink it until after I was done, but I did a indoor cycle. I don't know if you can see it. Indoor cycle, and then I did like a mindful cool down. So I only did a 20-minute ride because I was just not feeling it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm still kind of waking up, honestly. I feel good, but I'm still kind of waking up, and that's why I decided to drink this instead of coffee. So this can help me kind of get on the groove, move without me realizing it, so that I can get this room situated, because I want to clean my room. It needs a good deep clean. So yeah, that's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. Okay, my hair's a little bananas, but I got the room switched around. My battery was about to die, so I was like, you know what, let me just do it while the battery's dead. So I basically moved everything from right there and threw it in this corner. And I'm going to clean off that whole entire desk and get rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't need anymore. Or that hasn't been touched or looked at or anything in a while. And then I'm washing my sheets and stuff, so that's over there now, like my bed and everything. I'm going to move my printer and stuff and put it all over here. So that's pretty much really all I wanted to do. I just kind of wanted to like flip my room around to kind of give me a little bit more light in my window, since now my desk is in front of my window. So I'm going to clean off my desk and get it situated and put everything up that I don't need, get rid of some stuff, because I got all kind of binders and stuff that I don't use, and then situate my books and get all that situated, and then make my bed and just get this place cleaned up so that I can like just kind of relax at the end of the day and just read. Yeah, so that's really the gist of today. I'm just gonna be finishing cleaning up and stuff, and then but I'm about to break and eat because I'm hungry and I have to wait 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes since I drank anything, so I'm gonna eat something really fast because I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I got some nutritional yeast, so I'm hoping that tastes good on my eggs, because that's what I plan on putting it in. It's just kind of like sprinkling my food or putting it in my food. I'm trying to figure out how to use it, so I'm hoping I'm gonna watch a couple of videos to see how to use it. I think the directions on it said to just sprinkle over your food, but I think I'm gonna try to incorporate it in it so I don't like taste it. If it has a taste, I don't know. But apparently it's really good to get some of those like vitamins and minerals and stuff you need after you have had bariatric surgery. If you're kind of new to my channel and you don't know, I had VSG this past summer, and I recorded a video on it like a while ago, talking about like the process and stuff, and that was before. Let's go make some food because I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. So let's go make some food. If you have some stocks. Okay. I showered, done my skincare, washed my hair. So I feel a lot better. It's 1:17. So we had lunch. I showed y'all a little clip on my plate. The thing about it is my kids always eat my food anyway. So I had like 2 chicken wings and a piece of potato and I was full. So I just let my kids have the rest of it. But I know I'm going to get hungry again in like 30 minutes. So then I'll probably do a my protein drink because I need to get some more protein in.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, okay.
I still have to get my desk together. I feel like I've just been sitting in the same spot this whole entire vlog. And I need to get my stuff together because I need to record my 3rd semester update. That's why I went ahead and did my skincare and stuff. I'm trying to debate if I'm going to put on makeup. I don't really know if I'm going to put on makeup. I may put on some. But I need to get that video recorded. It's already December 30th and I'm about to start my 4th semester in a couple weeks. So I need to get it done. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this situated, try to declutter a bunch of this crap that I don't need or I don't use or I ain't looked at since prereqs. And then I'll catch y'all when I'm getting ready to record my video.
What?
Alright, plot twist. We're going to Wally World so that I can pick up a what's it called? A shelf for my room.
No.
Because I don't have a lot of space on my desk. Even with my corner desk, I don't have a lot of space on it. So I need to get I ordered like a cheap bookshelf to hang it, to put in my room. I'm gonna build it when I get home. But right now, we're heading there to pick it up. And I got a mount and I'm in love with it, and I found it on sale like last minute, and it's like a MagSafe mount and it's working fairly well. It's very sticky and it's very like movable too, so that's a good thing. But yeah, okay. Lord, okay, we're back home now, making my kids some dinner, and yeah, we just got home. Well, we've been home for a little bit, but I just picked up the camera. I got the bookshelf. It's listen, 33 bucks, Walmart.com. Got this bad boy to kind of get all of this stuff off the desk and to kind of clear it out. And then all of that stuff I want to get situated on here so that it's not in the way anymore. And I'm just going to stack it right there. So I'm going to put that together tonight. So now that my room's all put together, I feel better. I feel like it's a better zen, a better space. I like how my desk is in front of my window now, so that sometimes I can have some light coming in. But yeah, so it's already 6:35. I have ran out of time to get my 3rd semester update up. As long as I get it up before the new year, as long as I get both these videos up before the new year, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, rearranging my room, and you know, just spending the day with me. It's a very easy little vlog to film. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one and kind of random, but yeah, hopefully this video wasn't too bad of a flop, but if it was, it's okay, it's fine. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.